Morning, we're out here at Eastgate Lake, getting ready to go sailing. The winds might be too strong today. They're blowing pretty hard. They're blowing from right there. I see little white caps on the pond. Oh well, let's get her out and see what happens. Might be a little strong. See what our battery is, because I was going to switch the battery. RX is still showing 4 bars, so we should be okay. I'm probably going to keep it over here in this cove over here because the wind's not as strong. In fact, that's the words of Captain Ron. Just want to make sure, yep, we still got, I don't want any malfunction junctions. Yeah, Tuco, I'm coming. Away she goes. Man, clipping right along. Here's where if you had the smaller sails, they have a B sail and a C sail. This is the A sail, which is a little bigger sail. We at least got to head out and see what the stronger wind's going to do. It's kind of into the wind there. We'll come off. Getting out of this cove, even in strong winds, is tricky because you got currents. Let's go back over by Sir Reduc a lot. We just came from the dog park. He had a good time. He probably wishes he was still there. So he's putting up with sailing. He's doing a good job. The wind's kind of calm right now. We're still tricking along. That's pretty quick, man. Reef it in just a little bit. There we go. There's a gust ahead of it there. It's going to knock it down. We'll go out. We'll head this tack a little bit, luffing. Then we'll churn. Let's churn now. I don't want to get any closer to the shore. That's what I was afraid of right there. Churn, churn, churn. Oh. Let's get up some boat speed. We're getting awful close. Let's see if we can turn it all the way around. Churn, churn. Oh man, I might be in trouble. She's in the irons. There we go. Ah, shoot. And I'm going to get stuck on the side. So we can bring her around. Oh man, we're close to being stuck. We're close. Let's see if I can swing it around this way. There we go. There we go. We're sailing. We got to sail out of there. Son of a gun, man. I got her stuck. Alright, there we go. There we go. There we go. Whew! There we go. We got her out of there. Whew. There we go. Now I got my rudder authority. Whew. She's blowing today, I'll tell you that right now, man. Holy cow, man. I was just about ready to give up, man. I have to go get the fishing pole and pull it to shore. I hate doing that because every time you do it, you run the risk of damaging the rigging. We got white caps out there today, man. gonna take it out in strong wind again. Give her all she got, Cap Scotty. I am Skipper. I'm giving her all. You notice in the strong winds, it doesn't go fast. So I'm kind of reefing it right there. See, I got the luft. I'm sailing close to when the sail's luft, just so they don't get overpowered. Let's get up some boat speed, and let's see if we can spin her around. Let's see if we can tack. Yeah, there we go. We got a tack in. She's wanting to pull. When the boat's, if a boat's well designed, when it gets overpowered, it'll point it to the wind. Yeah, that's the strongest winds I've sailed this in yet. There's another tack. We'll go over here. Let's see what Tuco's looking at. I don't see anything. He's looking at the dog. There's a dog at the dog park, but it's the German Shepherd. It's Adolf. Oh, he's a friendly dog. He doesn't hurt any other dogs. Oh, you can't pet him. Don't pet him. Don't look him in the eye. Young Adolf, he's just misunderstood. His name's not. The guy talks German to his dog and warns you not to pet him. He's attacked I don't know how many dogs. Alright, uh-oh. I put her in irons. Alright, I'm going to turn around and run with the wind now. Oh, look at it go. Oh. There we go. Whoa. There we go. That's what I'm after, wing and wing. Alright, let's wing and wing it back, and we'll take it over to this end where the winds aren't quite as strong. And look how fast it's coming at us. Yeah, these kind of winds aren't as much fun. I'll take a light wind over a heavy wind like this. Look at the weight coming off the boat and the wind and waves. I know winds aren't that strong, but for a little boat. And let's do the turn. There we go. We got the sails. There we go. It's a broad reach. We'll do the broad reach over across the lake. That's a fast point of sail right there, a broad reach. Then the wind current in there is changed just a little bit. And let's spin it around, see if I can do a 180. Yeah, I got a 180 in me. All day long. All day long a 180. Let the sails out a little bit. There we go. She's coming in. Big wind sailing with the mighty Dragonforce 65. Get yours at dragonsailing.net. I don't get anything from them. It's just a good company. They have a 95 too. It's like a Dragon. I think they changed the name of it to a Dragonforce 95 or Dragonflight 95. There we go. Got out of the irons. It's real easy to get in irons when you're doing your turns, because the waves slow your speed down, your boat's speed down when you switch from one point of sail to the other. Let's see if we can go out. Then I'm going to bring this in. See, I just adjust the sails and adjust the angle of sailing. I make the sails left, then just barely pull them in. I'm letting them out. I got a little luff, they're shaking. Luff is shaking the sails. Get the shake out. And then she speeds right up. Let's see if I can tack. It's kind of hard to tack in the wind. There we go. Got a nice tack in. Sails left, so I pulled off. I'm going to pull them in just a little bit. The winds are shifty there. So we'll have to put her on this point of sail right here. Bring her in. Came over too much. Because when you have your sails trimmed right, your rudder should track pretty straight. Now it's wanting to go to the left there, port, or to the starboard, I'm sorry. But as we're looking at it to the left, now it's pretty neutral. Let me settle out. Bring her in. We'll spin around. I can grab her there. So we'll call that a sail. And I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Yep, this is Jeff using my little Fly Sky radio transmitter, FSI-6, with the same receiver you'd have for a plane in the boat. Tuco just loves sailing. But thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. And subscribe, join Team Let's Go Flying, Let's Go Sailing. This is Jeff. We're at the park having fun. Right, Tuco? Right.